display our projects for today. Our project is known as Dump Track. Dump Track is an online waste management platform that enhances users and agencies in order for us to display waste. Now, what is this problem we're trying to solve? Lagos alone generates over 30,000 tons, according to the Guardian newspaper. This has necessitated that we are able to create a tech-enabled solution in order for us to manage volumes and logistics effectively. What other problem? You can see that we have overflowing bins and litter streets, blocked drainage and flooding, foul odors and health risks. These are the problems that affect us in our society, and we're trying to solve this issue. Now, what are the solutions we're trying to bring here? Like I mentioned initially, Dump Track is a web-based platform that is designed for real-time reporting, tracking, and intelligent management that enhances and connects citizens and agencies seamlessly.
The purpose of BRT Live is to innovate a mobile application whereby it shows a web dashboard that can show BRT terminals, BRT routes, whereby users, drivers, and admins can get access to. For example, as a user of this app, I can get access to know where each terminals are. And as a driver using this app, I can start my daily shift and end my shift on this app.
The project we'll be working on is called MyMech, the mechanic finder web application, majorly for emergencies. So, what this web application is mainly meant for is for emergency services. It's bridging the gap between car owners, car users, road users, and nearby mechanics, depending on where you are. So here we have the stress of the breakdown. Every driver dreads the moment the vehicle breaks down. The immediate challenge is not just the repair, but the stress and uncertainty of finding a quick, reliable, and a trustworthy expert. So here now we are trying to tell you that on this web application we actually have verified, or let me say pre-verified mechanics that you can work with. Not just you looking for mechanics there, but you don't know their qualifications and all of that. We've heard report of a lot of mechanics spoiling engine and doing other things like that. They are not capable enough. So on this web application we have qualified and verified mechanics to work with. Our core features for driving reliability. The MyMech platform is built on a foundation of security, real-time data, and accessibility, ensuring a smooth experience for both the drivers and the mechanic. So for our secure authentication, we made use of JWT, that's JSON Web Token and Bcrypt, to ensure the platform integrity. That's for the security. For the real-time search, for fast, reliable NECA mechanic search capability, it was powered by PostgreSQL and PostGIS for geospatial query. This one is what is bridging the gap between that connection. You are here, you are looking for mechanics around here. It will be giving you mechanics in Abulega or wherever it is. So this one is bounded location. You can even check. I'm looking for mechanic within 5-kilometer radius. So that's why we integrated this PostGIS. It's marking the radius for us on the Google map. So it's going to be like a Google map, like the Uber setting on the map to show your location and to show the locations of all those nearby mechanics. So you can now choose the closest to you.
Group. We worked on a attendance monitoring application. We whereby it will capture attendance. Say, for example, solving a problem of punctuality and absenteeism in any organization. In some organizations, you see people coming in and writing their names that they came earlier, whereas they came very late. Some people will delegate clocking into their colleagues. This application will solve the problem. Whenever you come around, you come and you sign in with your image. It works in such a manner that when you come in, you will log into the system, into the portal of the organization. Then you take a photograph of yourself, the headshot of yourself, and it will register the time, the location, and capture everything. And when you close, you do the same as well. The system is so robust, the application is so robust that it can be used elsewhere rather than the organization, so long it is managed. It can be extended to more than one location of the organization. Same way, ask that the user to capture the headshot, that is the image, and immediately the user is created. It is so robust and user-friendly that you don't need to go through the mountain before you create. We have gone far that we have developed a system whereby when you capture your attendance and everything, it will gather the data, it will record it, but will not be able to upload. But as soon as network is back, it will upload the data immediately to the database. So when you come, irrespective of the status of the network, you can always mark your attendance. Network got nothing on this application.